Where are the thrift stores in Cambridge? What do they have in them? What are their prices like? And when are their sales dates? I love to shop in thrift stores because I believe in sustainable shopping. Plus, I love a great deal. So come with me as I show you the fabulous thrift stores of Cambridge, Ontario. I'm going to be listing their websites below in the description so you can check for any change in hours. Cedar Chest Thrift Store is one of our newest thrift stores, located at 855 King Street East in the Preston section of Cambridge. It's a volunteer-based organization that provides quality used goods at affordable prices for everyone. The funds that are raised by the thrift store are for the Christian educational institutions affecting Cambridge area families. They also support other local community charities that reflect their values. This is a large store that has a large variety of items. Different color codes go on sale every second week at 50% off and 75% off. This store is also committed to sustainability and is trying its best to make sure nothing ends up in landfill. Just down the road and across the street at 742 King Street East is Uptown Thrift. Run by Argus residents for young people, 100% of all proceeds from the thrift store sales is used to create youth employment and support jobs and skill training for youth in our community. They sell quality, previously loved, refurbished, repurposed, and upcycled goods, clothing, furniture, household items, books, and much more. The Restore is located off Shants Hill at 200 Preston Parkway. Restores are building supply stores that sell second-hand and new building supplies, materials, decor, furniture, and more. New and used building supplies are sold at a fraction of the price. For anyone who's environmentally conscious, it's a great way to buy building material that's still perfectly fine, but might have ended up in a local landfill otherwise. The funds that are raised in the Restore are used to fund Habitat for Humanity home building projects in the community. We're off to the Galt part of Cambridge where there are 3 thrift stores. The Recovery Room, 38 Ainsley North. Owned and operated by the Cambridge Memorial Hospital Volunteer Association and under the direction of the shop manager, is completely staffed by CMH volunteers. Donations are always welcome, and all profits from the retail store go directly to support the ongoing needs for life-saving equipment at the Cambridge Memorial Hospital. This small shop is right across the street from the Cambridge Farmers Market, has small furnishings, art, decorations, glassware, crystal, clothing, accessories, sewing fabric and supplies, some books, jewelry, and accessories. With amazing bargain pricing year-round on all gently used merchandise, the Recovery Room has 50% sales twice a year, at the end of the winter in February and then at the end of the summer in August. Redemption Prison Ministries is primarily run by volunteers and is a community-supported ministry located at 15 Water Street North. Their website lets you know when they have specials on sale. They run sales of 50% off, fill a bag for $10, and BOGO sales. Inside this store is fashion, jewelry, housewares, silver plate, decorative items, clothes, upholstery fabric, and sewing supplies. Their second store on Main Street offers large items, mostly furniture, but with home decor items and silver-plated serving dishes and utensils. In the Highland Shopping Centre at 75 Dundas Street North is Society of St. Vincent de Paul. The donations that are given to the store are either sold in the thrift stores or donated at no cost for those that are in need. The profit that is made in the thrift stores goes to benefit those in need in the community through different services. Even though the Society is a Catholic organization, they serve anyone requesting assistance, regardless of religious beliefs. In this store, the items are either color-coded with 6 different color stickers, ranging from $1 to $10, or they're priced separately. They are also known for their extraordinary displays. Value Village is the only for-profit thrift store in Cambridge at this time. Their American website states, "Shopping in our stores doesn't support any nonprofit, but donating your reusable goods does. we pay nonprofits for your stuff, helping them fund programs in our communities. At 480 Hespeler Road, this is a larger size Value Village that has the same diverse mix of goods as their other stores. Lots of clothing for children, men and women, housewares, furniture, decorative and seasonal items, and more. Like most Value Village stores, they're well laid out, easy to find the different sections, and have constantly changing inventory. All of these thrift stores depend on your generous donations, so please consider donating your gently used items so they continue their work in our communities.